In this video, I will demonstrate how UiPath AutoPilot interacts with NetSuite through a structured, three-step process. 1. Retrieve purchase orders. 2. Extract specific order details. 3. Create a new order with help of AI. Initially, I executed a command in UiPath AutoPilot to successfully retrieve all orders from NetSuite. We are now issuing a command to obtain details for a specific. The system will recommend the appropriate process to extract order details from NetSuite, automatically converting order numbers to IDs and initiating the necessary procedures. This particular order is complex, as evidenced by the 9 items listed in NetSuite. As you can see, Autopilot is effectively displaying all relevant details, providing a comprehensive view of the selected order. I will now command UiPath AutoPilot to create a new order in NetSuite based on the previously displayed order, with the following adjustments: exclusion of forks and breaks, setting a quantity of 50 for all items, as compared to values of 320 or 160 seen previously, specifying a quantity of 8 for wheels, to test AI's rule interpretation capability, applying relevant rate adjustments. UiPath AutoPilot will analyze data from the previous order, interpret the established guidelines, and implement all modifications automatically. The system will then prompt us to execute the process to add the order in NetSuite, with AI assisting in supplying all necessary input parameters. We will now allow the process a few moments to complete before reviewing the results. In this case, we have process that is working via REST API. But Autopilot is able to work also with attended and unattended process that can run UI automation. Once finished, we will proceed to the NetSuite interface in the web browser to verify the new order details. By refreshing the interface, navigating to the most recent order, and selecting View, we will be able to confirm the order's accuracy. Here, we should find all items listed with the specified adjustments, including 7 items with a quantity of 50 and wheels with a quantity of 8. This streamlined, AI-driven process allowed us to efficiently create a new order in NetSuite by modifying a previous order and utilizing Autopilot's advanced capabilities.